Hello. This figure shows that one is the input as showing here is the data, then next is the processing system, and third one is the information. Now you see, look at here, according the definition of this one, this hand held some objects. Okay, that is nothing but the some papers. That papers, it means nothing but the informations. That information inputting to the system through a program, and means written in a program and giving input to the keyboard input device, that is the keyboard. Once this you feed your program through keyboard means input devices to the system, that is processing system, where it has shown the that is computer. Once it receives it and store this in its memory, and whenever you call it process it, it will process it. The system will process it and store data in a system itself. Whenever user want to take the output or informations, data processing, it will convert it into information as previously said. This will gives the output to through the output devices, that is nothing but the printer, which is shown in the form of this what is this figure is shown, the graphical figure, circular graph is there. So this is nothing but the information you are getting, and you can take it as a printer. So in this way you can take the printout of this one. Now the next one is that function of an information processing system. What are the functions of this one? It receives the data from input user output device, from outside word or input device. Now second function is the processing. This once it receives this data, it process it by the system, and once process it, store the result in its own memory, and whenever user want to take it outputs, it will give the this present informations to the output device through such as a printer. Now next one is the three major components of an information processing systems are uh, major components. What are the major components? What it includes? What system it includes? Hardware is hardware, software, and peopleware. What is hardware? Hardware is tangible part of a computer system. Tangible part of a computer system is inside electronics circuits, that is motherboards and all other registers and all other electronic circuits, nothing but contains the hardware. uh, Power supply, and then so storage systems, so all this belongs to this hardware system. Now software is the, so these hardware working by a particular program and system programs, it is called a system program. That is nothing but the software, is the non-tangible part of the tells the computer how to do this job. What do you mean by this sentence? Means this software activate the hardware devices, activate the electronic circuits, connected devices to the system, and accordingly these devices work. So this is done by the software programs. This is nothing but the programs. Now peopleware refers to people who use and operate the computer system. Peopleware means refers to people who use, operate a computer system, write computer programs, and analyze and design the processing. Nothing but the user, those who work over the system, those who work over the human problems. Once you decide the human problems, there is a programmer which write all these things in the form of program. The programmer is not only writing the program but is also writing the system program also. Means how these hardware devices are connected devices or outer connected devices, or you are connecting different devices to the system, how they will work. They will work only by using the software programs. Means there is another group with software developed for this activation of the devices. This is all, this belongs to the firmware. Thank you.